In this video, I'll show you how to upload documents to TurboTax. Once you are on your TurboTax account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And from here, you want to select the second option, which is Documents. Once you are on the document section in here, you can now add your documents. Now, there are two options. One is by adding your tax docs, and on the second option, this will be your linked accounts. It will show you your connected accounts. If you don't have one, then just simply head over to Documents. Now, on the Documents section in here, if you head over to the bottom and click on Add Tax Docs, from here you can either upload a file, snap a photo, this means a paper docs with your phone, or import your forms from your financial accounts. Let's say we want to upload a file. At the bottom, click on Continue. And once you do that in here, you have to add your document. Let's say I want to add my W-2. So from here, I will just simply click on Drop Docs here. I will add my demo W-2. And once you have that, it will gather your info for your return. And once it's done, it will automatically add this document into its appropriate section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.